Hello techies, welcome to Gowdham's Data. We are going to see one of the interesting and trending topic which is called as deepfakes. We are going to see a brief technical how deepfakes is impacting in human environment. Let's get into the video, techies. Face swapping. Face swapping in deepfakes typically involves a process called generative adversarial networks, also known as GAN. There are few points that needs to be considered in a technical manner for involving these deepfakes. First, data collection. Initially, a deep learning model is trained on a large data set of images featuring the target person. It means the one whose face will be swapped and the source person whose face will replace the target's face. And second point will be feature extraction. This model learns to identify and extract the facial features, expression and nuances from the training data. It will be kept on extracting and kept on focusing all these areas like features, expressions and nuances. The third will be the generative adversarial networks, which we already discussed as GAN. GAN is consist of two neural networks. One is a generator and second is a discriminator. The generator creates a synthetic content which is fake faces, while the discriminator tries to distinguish between the real and the fake faces. The fourth point will be the training process. The generator and discriminator are trained iteratively. The generator improves the ability to create the realistic and the discriminator become more adept at distinguishing real from the fake. And the last topic is face swap, which is one of the trending in current field. Once the model is trained in face swap, it can be used in any sorts of images. The generator always generates a synthetic face that mimics the expression and feature of the source person, and this is then superimposed onto the target person in the video or images. So this is one of the main impact, and also it's because of the AI process this face swapping and all these technologies has been involved in this. The continual improvement of deep learning model and access to more extensive data sets contribute to the increasing realism of face swapped deepfakes. It's always crucial to be aware of the ethical concerns and potential misuse associated with this particular technology. So there may be a chances misusing the images or videos in the future environment by using this deepfakes technology. I hope you guys had a good overview about deepfakes. We'll meet you in some other interesting topic video. See you techies. Bye bye.